they say there, folks. If I'm down under here, that can only mean one thing. It's oil change time. Is it 15 millimeter? Daggone it, it's always the last one I try. Hey, 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 hey! You can see me now, kind of, at least. Is that better and or worse? We're just gonna do a real quick whipper here. Yeah, I'm gonna take this off with a torque wrench, but what can you do there, Dad? Shouldn't be on there that daggone much anyway. Holy Lord! Every time. Oh God. I'm gonna have to go get a daggone wrench. Looks like it's about a... Golly, I can't see for looking. 15 millimeters. But I got this thing here. It's supposed to be a real good... Lord, this is a turkey shoot now. I hope I got the right filter. Probably didn't, knowing the guy that helped me. Now this could be end up being a huge mess. Got a wrench. Get you on out of here. Now, Ginger, carefully. God, who put this on there? Lord almighty. It's supposed to be 18 foot-pounds of torque. Well, that's what you're supposed to torque it down with. It was way beyond that. Shoot. It's dripping off. This is where it gets delicate. As soon as you pull that plug out, it's going to shoot out. There's 8.5 quarts that have to come out of this darn thing. Oh, crap, I forgot. Hey, what a turkey shoot. You can tell I'm out of practice. Pray. Pray for me. Is that right? This could end up being a disaster. And the reason I say that is the lip on this little tub is not very strong. So, I mean, not very deep. So it's only about that deep, and that oil could rush out of there and really cause some big boy issues. Especially if I drop that drain plug in there. We want it as far that way as we can get it. Because physics. You ready? You ready? Oh, because it's not out yet. Okay. We're getting close here, boys. One more quarter turn and this thing's going to be... No, daggone it. You're making a damn fool out of me. Whoa. See? What a nightmare. Oh. God, I hate this oil pan. I just bought this oil pan and I already hate it. Whoever came up with this design needs drug out into the street and shot. I'm so daggone aggravated. Just there's no way to do this without making a freaking mess. Let me grab some rags. T-shirt, old rag, old Greg. Hate this freaking piece of crap. The oil pan, not the truck. Stupid. So freaking stupid. Who puts these freaking drain plugs on sideways? That's what I want to know. There's no reason you couldn't have the drain come out of the bottom. None. But yet they do it anyway. So you can buy more that oil stuff, what you clean up problems with. I'm so freaking mad about that. Really. It's more operator error than anything. So I really only have myself to be angry with. But you know what? You can't even turn up your headphones too loud without your cell phone telling you what you should be doing. So why can't they make a drain plug that's idiot-proof? And I still got to get this oil filter off. So we're not even done spilling oil. They probably put this on way too tight. Now if my hands weren't slicker than greased snot right now. Piece of crap. Stupid design. Stupid design. Yeah, this oil filter placement's better than usual, but it's not saying much. Well, I guess I can only get a micro turn at a time. Freaking son of a... Oh, because the oil filter is crushing. What a real great oil filter. I swear. Just freaking strong arm it then, I guess. There, take that. You old fat pig. Look at that snail trail. Well, that's real good. Nonsense. Oh well, that's garage, I guess, isn't it? Well, now I need to torque this down. Well, shoot! I didn't get this off yet. Why wouldn't more drain out of it like that? Why not? Why not? Is this silicone carnate? I don't think you have to do this anymore. I'm not sure you ever had to, but can't say I didn't do it. So, alright. Let's see how much of a mess we can make now. Yeah, let some more come out. Why not? I should have bought that daggone drip tray. I thought, well, I'm going to buy a drip tray so I don't have this issue. I should have bought it. Yeah, more. Alright, I'm over it. Anytime, sweetheart. Oh, it's got a special place to put your oil filter. That's what I've always wanted. The oil doesn't look bad, though. So that's good. I've got my pre-lubed thing here. And with oily hands, make sure the gasket came with it, with the oil filter, so you don't double gasket this son of a gun. Alright, we've made contact. Hand tight. That ain't going nowhere. Now, where is my torque wrench? Now we need to set it to 18 foot-pounds of torque. Loosen this fella. The big fella. Okay, there's Torquey. Okay, coming up on 15. Is that 15? That's 15, so I need to go 2, 3. Alright. There we go. 18 foot-pounds of torque to the rear wheels. Oh, crap. That's all the more it needs to be put on there. No more than that. 18 foot-pounds of torque. Alright, that's it for the underside. Now we go top-wise. Frosty windows, summer nights. This is going to have to be a 2-funneler right here, boys. This is the worst handle they ever put on it. This is supposed to be an easy fill. Easy fill nonsense. Yeah, that's what I've always needed. Make the oil jug have more plastic parts.
because now there's a freshness seal. This takes 8.5 quarts. Ooh, and it's got that easy pour spout, Dad. I guess I don't need this darn stool. I use my strong hand on this side. I don't know how to come at this. There we go. Slow and steady. Right. Alright, now we got the stressful part on here. I'm heading down that long, lonesome road, babe, where I'm bound. Just can't tell. Adios, it's just too good word, babe. So I'll just say fare thee well. Now I gotta put 1.5 quarts in this, so then that way it'll be enough quarts to go in that. You follow my thought? With this easy pour spout, that's always what I thought needed fixed, was the spout. If you just learn how to pour oil the right way, you won't need that easy pour spout. Easy pour spouts are for morons. But I'm gonna dip under this truck here, pour this all. I ain't trying to tell you, I bet you've been unkind. You've been messing up mine. Valentine, you're the reason this old boy don't walk mine. Maybe it'll think twice, all right. But let's finish the task at hand. The Valvoline full synthetic Dexos 2 0W20. Built to last, Valvoline, how's that go? What's Valvoline's theme song? Overpriced, Valvoline. I actually like Valvoline. I've never had any issues with it. They don't put crap oil on the market anymore, really, so it doesn't really matter as long as it meets your specs. Or it meets the truck specs. I don't have specs for oil. I need omega-3s and such. Now we can get aggressive with it. It's the crossed hand. That's the Aquaberry back fist technique there. The Chuck Norris wrist reverse spinning back fist oil pour here. It's time consuming. Make sure we get all the drips out. Give that a little shake and a couple of these here. And the beauty of knowing how many quarts of oil your motor takes is not having to check it. I know for a fact I put 8.5 quarts in there. Drain plugs torqued down to the proper specs, 18 foot-pounds of torque. The oil filter's put on correctly, about a quarter turn after hand tight. Well, hand tight till the gasket contacts the mating surface, and then a quarter turn past that's basically all you need. Just want to give it a minute for all the oil to sort of sheet out of the funnel. And I think we've pretty much got it here, boys. If What's all this then? What's all this then? It's pretty clean. Nice little oil cap. I don't like these weird, like, quarter turn, lock in place kind of deals. Call me old fashioned, but I like an actual thread. But engineers know better than I do, so I really should keep my mouth shut. Let's try to take this out here. Yeah. Put this back in for the finishing touch. Find where that seats. Doesn't seem very freaking tight. Is something going on with this that I'm not aware of? Alright. Golly, that seems weird. I don't like that either, but I think we're about done. Everything looks good under here. So